Let's go swimming.
Oh, he's going swimming.
Look at that. Look at the size of that.
Welcome to the Raw Fam. What's up, Raw Fam? So today we're going to Koi International, and we're gonna go over here and see one of my buddies, John, and he has an awesome koi that he picked out, and he brought it from somewhere in this world, and he wants to give it to me today for a lot of money. And if it's as pretty as I remember it on the pictures, we're gonna go off and get this guy today. Let's do it, guys.
Nice.
This is my buddy John, and he's gonna be helping us out today. He's gonna be showing us the ropes on how to properly buy a koi fish. It's gonna be cool, and let's see these guys. I'm pretty sure the fish is right here, correct? Yeah. Oh, he's right there. I see him. Guys, come on. Oh my goodness, guys. So as you guys can see, they're getting prepared to get this guy out of here. I want to look at this guy. They're gonna put it in a bin at first, and then we're gonna basically decide whether we want it or not. So let's do it.
I'm going in. We'll go swimming.
Oh, he's going swimming. Oh, she's big. Oh, that's so cool.
Is that the same size?
That's gorgeous.
Right.
That's a little
I'll
small.
give me that one. Yeah. Whatever. I don't know what the tub is. Yeah, you don't want to look at it. Wow. It's
That
bigger than
is
the
so
tub.
awesome. And now, is this a female or a male?
Female.
That's a female, huh?
Yeah.
That's so awesome.
Hmm.
And is this like a breeder one, or is she able to breed, or?
Oh yeah,
too big?
100% they're gonna breed.
Really?
Old enough.
That's
Mature.
awesome. So all I have to do is just put her in a pond and she'll breed with
Yep.
a male?
With the male, yeah.
That's so awesome.
Look at that. Look at the size of that.
Oh, she's so gorgeous. Oh. So yeah, guys. So how much would she go for?
5,000.
I'm gonna get in. I want to see this girl up close and personal. Woo.
Nice and cool, huh?
Come, guys. Look how beautiful this koi is. And what type of koi is this, by the way?
Cuomo.
Cuomo, guys. This is a Cuomo. Look at her. Oh, she's so pretty. Guys, we're getting a massive koi. Come here, come here. Come here. How beautiful is this girl? And oh my gosh. I'm already in love. She's so soft. She's a female. And whoa, look at her. Guys, look at this. Look at
hold
this. Oh, can I?
Yeah, yeah. Well,
How do I hold
it to the
You guys see
body
this?
like that?
Oh my god.
Oh, he's going right at you.
Did you guys see that? These guys are massive. And wait, come here guys, Raw Fam, come here. Look at them all. Yeah, let's look at a couple of these koi. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, oh, she's so pretty. Woo! This is so awesome. Hold up.
Wow, this is. He's a male. That's a fighter.
That's a male?
Yeah.
Oh, he is a fighting.
This is a fighter too, male.
Oh, wow.
It's
And
a
guys,
male.
this is a toncho. You can tell it's a toncho because of the top of his head. Look at her. Oh, that's so freaking cool. Hi, baby. You are so gorgeous. Oh, and that's a male?
Yeah.
Now, would that toncho be able to breed with that one?
Oh yeah, every one of them. This is mature enough to breed. It's like 3 or 4 years old.
Really? That's 3 or 4 years?
Yeah.
How old is she?
10 years.
She's 10 years old, guys? Oh my god, that's probably why she's so relaxing. Half kushiki, half kusagi.
And it's got a toncho on it too.
A tonch?
Yeah.
Now, is that one of the starting koi? That's how they started breeding them all together because of the colors, or no?
Yeah, actually they start with grass carp.
Yeah, see, this is the one.
And the goldfish too.
See, guys, this is my knowledge. This is one of the first koi that they started breeding with grass carp and all that different stuff to make beautiful colors like this. Come here.
Yeah.
And look at this girl. She's so beautiful. I want her to calm down before we put her in the pond or inside the bag because we're gonna bag this girl up. Imagine if we had a bunch. He already has it. Look at this guy.
Half with long tail.
That is so pretty.
Boys. Yeah, you try.
Can I hold her up?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Oh, she's so nice. Hi, baby. Aw.
She got long whiskers.
Oh yeah, she does. Hi.
Oh wow, you got, look at his mustache.
Look at his little mustache.
Whiskers.
Hello, how you guys doing? And this is a butterfly. So beautiful, so cool. Let me give her a kiss. I love it. Look, you want another one? Woo! And there she goes. How cool is that, guys?
That bag big enough?
That's so cool, guys. She's so pretty. And this is how it bags it up. This is a massive koi, guys. So cool. And guys, look, we went swimming with our new koi. How cool is that? Hi, baby.
Make it a little tough.
And you guys gonna put more water in it when you guys get over there? Awesome. So guys, I'm so excited. We're spending a lot of money on this awesome koi, and I'm gonna surprise my mom when she gets home. Hopefully she doesn't see the video, but guys, I'm so happy. Raw Mom, she is gonna be so happy. We picked out just an amazing koi, and if you guys want to come here and get some koi, it's Koi International. He's a good guy. His name is John. Just come here, pick out whatever koi you want, and you guys can get it. So we're gonna go over there, see the rest of the process to bag this guy up, and we're having fun. Let's do it. Run over there. Go, 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 go.
That's good. That's good.
So what we're doing is we're filling up this cooler right here. So we have a bunch of treated water. We're filling up this cooler right here. And basically, we're gonna put the fish saver in there, put the fish in there, and then we should be good. All right, guys, so this is a fish saver, and what this does is you plug it into a battery, and it's a pump, and it shoots water up here, and it shoots it down. And basically, it just creates a bunch of oxygen, and this water already has a stress coat, and we're doing everything right here, and hopefully this guy is 100% when we get back to the pond. So put that guy in there, just like that, and take these batteries right here, go like positive first, then you go your ground negative, and that is all oxygen right there. Let's put the fish in. All right, you ready, buddy? So our beautiful koi is doing amazing right here, and you're gonna go throw in the cooler?
Yeah. You got the thing on already?
Yeah, everything's good. Everything's ready for my new baby. It's gonna be cool. Look at her. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her, look at her. Hi, baby. Wait, slow down.
Yeah.
All right, go. Get up there.
Almost the same size as before.
Awesome. So beautiful, bro.
Right the inches.
So she's about 30 inches, you think?
Yep.
All right, guys, so this fish is so amazing. Let's look at her. Hi, buddy. And we can turn this off real quick for a second. She's all right. She's doing amazing. And this is our new koi. She's doing awesome. And look at her. Relax, buddy, relax. She's trying to turn around. So let's put this back on her. She has a stress coat in there. And we got a new koi, guys. Let's take her back to the house and finish this video up. So cool, I love this girl. We're here at Koi International. This is my buddy John. There's a phone number right here, and there's a link in the description. If you guys want to check out him, support him because he's supporting me. He's giving me a great deal on this koi. How much did you say it was again?
5,000.
Oh my God, but he gave me a good deal. Don't worry, the Raw Fam has an amazing deal on this koi. I love you, Raw Fam, and thank you guys for hitting him up and supporting me. Love you, Raw Fam. Let's take it over to the house. All right, guys, so we just got back to the house, and we have this awesome koi. I mean, she's just so beautiful, and we're gonna bring her inside to my beautiful pool pond, and guys, we're so lucky to have this koi. She's so beautiful, so let's get her. All right, guys, so we're going to basically, right there, we just turned off the fish saver, and we're gonna get this beautiful koi out from in here. Look at her. Oh my goodness. We're gonna make sure that this koi net is nice and wet, so it just makes it soft. And come here, baby. Come here. There. You're gonna twist the top right here. Got her in there. All right, let's go. You guys ready? Welcome to the Raw Fam. Look at her. What a dinosaur. Let's see her. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You're good. She's awesome. Look, look, look. There she goes. Woo! Woo, she loves her new home. Raw fam, how beautiful is this koi? We spent a lot of money on her, but she is 100% worth it. She's gonna clean this pond up. See all the algae right here? Phew! All right, back up here. Woo! And yeah, she's just so beautiful. And when I saw her, I knew I had to have her. And Raw fam, this is so amazing. We're gonna need to name her very soon. She is a female, so maybe we get a male breed koi. My buddy John said that it's so easy to breed koi. Just need a male and a female. They need to be of breeding size. And there you go. They're gonna have babies. So Raw fam, I'm so excited. We have so many amazing, awesome videos coming in the future. And wow. So let's go see Jaws and see how he reacts to this beautiful little guy. Come on. What was that, Blake?
I walked up here before anybody came over. I put my finger inside the water for 1 second. That thing ate my whole hand. Like, it was pretty
Guys,
crazy.
I'm telling you, this guy Jaws is crazy. Oh, look, my Midas. Look at him. Look at this, guys, though. Oh my God, look how beautiful that koi is. She's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Welcome to the Raw fam. Gosh, she's big. Holy crap. All right, Raw fam, so we have the most epic koi ever. She's in the pond right now. We're gonna go to Blake's house, feed his fish. We gotta go to Stone's, feed his fish. It's gonna be a cool video, and thank you guys for coming along. If you guys wanna see a red tail literally this big, then you guys better keep watching the video because it's about to happen. Let's go do it.